She's eating my hair. Hello. Hey. No. Don't wanna trust. Look what happens. She likes to mess with my hair. Ow! Look how cute she is.
There she is.
Look, she likes to mess with my hair. Well, she was playing with it. I took a video of it, so. Look how cute you are, Kiki. Cute. Where are you going, Kiki?
This morning before you
Goodbye,
came,
Kiki.
the cat was right here. She went under the bed. And then I went right here and I jumped on the bed and then I went right there so she could get out. And I chased her around the house.
Yeah, that's the Kiki. Look how majestic she looks. Bye.